No, I didn't go back to perm. Hi, today I've teamed up with Nutree to show you how I do my at-home Botox treatment. They have two sizes and I'm going to be using the Afro Botox Expert in the small size. So let's get into it. Unlike relaxer, for this treatment, the hair needs to be freshly washed with any sulfate-free shampoo of choice and free of any previous chemical, relaxer, or other. My first experience with Botox was in 2021 when I did my first big chop, and I haven't had Botox or straightened my hair since, so I'm pretty excited about the end result. After washing my hair, I dried it completely, then it was time to apply the product. I sectioned my hair in four and applied the mask all throughout my hair from roots to ends without letting it touch my scalp. Wait time is 30 to 40 minutes. I waited 30 minutes under the steamer, which is completely optional by the way. You can totally do it without. I just prefer it. Then I rinsed out about 70% of the product as instructed, and afterwards, wow, my curls were feeling so soft and detangled. After blow drying my hair for the second time with the remaining product, I then proceeded to flat iron. It is said to flat iron each strand 7 to 15 times at 390 to 400 degrees. I think I only did 5 to 7 passes at 390 because there was just no need for more. The hair was already soft and malleable. Then I did a little silk press at the end. I was in awe of how shiny and healthy my hair felt and looked, just bouncing and flowing everywhere. The smoothing effect will last anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks. The best part about it is knowing that I can revert back to my fro at any given time and find super healthy, juicy, and beautiful curls. Now, and salon treatments can cost anywhere between $275 to $300. I've added the link in my bio. Go get yours from Nutree for $57 only and use the code in caption to get 20% off. Hi, bye!